Hello everyone, what's up? So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can dual boot Kali Linux operating system alongside Windows operating system. In this video I'm going to guide you step by step so that you can easily follow me and make your computer dual boot with Kali Linux and Windows 10. So further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel, and if you have already subscribed, then thank you so much. Okay guys, to install Kali Linux operating system and Windows 10 operating system on your computer using the dual boot method, you have to create a multiple bootable USB, so that only using one single USB you can boot for Kali Linux ISO and Windows 10 ISO. Here using this single USB drive, I had created multiple OS bootable USB. If you don't know how to create one, then there is a dedicated video on this YouTube channel about it. I will link that video in this video description. So watch that video and create a multiple OS bootable USB using one single drive and put the Windows 10 ISO file and Kali Linux ISO file into that USB. Then follow me to install the Kali Linux operating system and Windows 10 operating system into dual boot mode in your computer. Okay guys, now connect your USB drive with your computer, then press the boot menu key of your computer so that your boot menu can appear on your screen. Now you can see my boot screen. Now from here you have to select the USB UEFI pen drive, then press enter and you should get this Ventoy boot screen. Now from here you have to select Windows 10 ISO file, then press enter. Then press enter to boot in normal mode. And now your Windows 10 installer should be started. Now let me show you how to install Windows 10 operating system step by step. On this screen, select the language, time and keyboard input method or layout, then click on next, then click on install now. If you have product key, you can type it here or click on I don't have a product key. Then from this list, you have to select your Windows 10 operating system variant. I am going to select Windows 10 Pro, then click on next. Then accept the license agreement, then click on next. Then from here select custom. And now you should see all of your hard disk, drive and partition. I have connected only one single SSD and I am going to use that SSD drive as my C drive of my computer. So I am going to delete all of this partition. Okay, so this is my SSD drive. Now I am going to select it, then click on new, then apply, then OK. And it should create 3 partitions. This is my C drive, this is the MSR reserve, and this is the system partition. You have to understand that system partition and C drive are different. So this will be my C drive, 190 GB. Then click on next and it should start installing the Windows 10 operating system on your SSD or hard drive. It will take some time, so you have to wait until the installation has been completed. Okay guys, now Windows installation has been completed. Now your computer will restart automatically. Here you can see my computer is restarting. And now you have to do all the basic configuration like setting up the user account, adding the keyboard layout, connecting with the internet and others. And after configuring everything else, you should get your operating system has been installed successfully on your computer. Now to install the Kali Linux operating system as a dual boot, we have to create a partition in our C drive. Let me show you how to do that. So right click on start menu, then go to disk management. Then from here, select your C drive, right click here, then click on shrink volume. Then here you have to create at least 15 GB free space. Then click on shrink. And here you can see we get a 50 GB unelected partition here. This is a free space. Now you have to keep it like this. Then you have to restart your computer and go to your boot menu. Now again from here, select USB pen drive UEFI and from the Ventoy menu, select Kali Linux installer ISO file. Then boot in normal mode. And you should get this Kali Linux installer screen. Now from here, select graphical install and press enter. Then from this page, select a language for your computer. Then select your location and configure your keyboard layout. And now your computer will automatically try to detect and mount the installation media. In our case, the USB pen drive. And then it will load the additional component from the installation media or the USB drive. And if you have connected a LAN cable comes from your Wi-Fi router, then your Kali Linux installer will automatically try to configure your network. And if not, you have to configure your network manually. I had already connected a LAN cable with my computer, so this Kali Linux installer will try to automatically configure the network for me. Now here I need to give a host name. In this case, I will keep it Kali. You can keep the domain name blank, then click on continue. And here you need to type a username. You have to remember the username and the password. because this username password combination will be used to log in into Kyle Linux machine. Here I'm going to type my name, then here I have to type the password, then continue. Now select your time zone, then it should automatically detect your storage or hard drive or SSD, whatever you had on your computer. Then make sure you have to select here, use the largest continuous free space. Do not select any other option, select this one, because this option will automatically partition our free space, whatever you create in our Windows operating system. The 15 GB partition, remember? So select this one, use the largest continuous free space. Then click on continue. Make sure to select all file in one partition, then continue. And it will automatically create the required partition from the 15 GB unallocated partition. Make sure to select finish partition and write the changes to disk. Then write the changes to disk, select yes. And now it will start installing the base system. Now after some time you will get this screen. From here you can select desktop environment for your Kyle Linux operating system. You can select GNOME, KDE Plasma, but Kyle Linux operating system by default use XFCE. So I'm going to keep it XFCE. Then it should start installing the operating system on your computer hard drive. It will take some time, so you have to wait until the installation has been completed. Okay guys, when the installation has been completed, you will get this screen. Now if I click on continue, my computer will reboot. So let's continue. Here you can see my computer is restarting. Now here you can see Kali Linux boot menu instead of Windows. And here on the top we have Kali Linux, and in number 3 we have Windows Boot Manager. Now if we select the Kali Linux option and press enter, my computer will boot in Kali Linux operating system, and if I select Windows Boot Manager and press enter, it will boot to Windows operating system. Let's try them one by one. First, let's boot into Kali Linux operating system. So I'm going to select Kali Linux, then press enter. Here you can see my computer boot into Kali Linux operating system. There you go. Now I can use Kali Linux operating system in my computer. Now let's boot into Windows. So again I'm going to click here and restart my computer. And now from this Kali Linux boot menu I'm going to select Windows Boot Manager and press enter. And now my computer should boot into Windows. Here you can see my computer boot into Windows operating system. So like this you can easily set up dual boot Kali Linux operating system and Windows operating system on your computer. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you are watching this tech tutorial, and I'm signing out.